Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. Examples of projection mapping can be seen on city building facades or immersive art exhibitions. But what if this lighting technique could go beyond entertainment? A team of researchers from the University of Osaka in Japan has created a shadowless projection mapping system that shows it's possible for the technique, which overlays images on objects to create different visual effects, to make those objects appear as though they've been physically changed rather than just covered with an image. Visual cues like shadows caused by a user's body or the way lighting is directed reveal a projection. The new synthetic aperture system aims to change human perception via a large number of projectors that are densely arranged. This enables delay-free, shadowless projection onto an object. The system also addresses a notable challenge in conventional projection mapping: spatial resolution degradation caused by subpixel misalignment in overlaid images. The team used a computational approach that essentially eliminates unwanted blurring in the images. The team says they're continuing to advance the shadowless projection mapping system, which could someday be used for things like presenting information in medical settings or industrial design work. Aiming to fundamentally disrupt the image sensor market, Dutch photonics startup eyeo can now more easily advance its design capabilities. The company will get 40 million euros in Series A funding in a round led by Innovation Industries. eyeo representatives say their nanophotonic color-splitting technology, for use in applications like extended reality, is redefining imaging approaches via increased light sensitivity and higher sensor resolution. The new funding will boost the company's sensor design capabilities and ultimately drive commercial deployment. OpenLight, a California-based developer of custom photonic application-specific integrated circuits, has secured $50 million in Series A1 funding, led by Matter Venture Partners. Representatives say the funding will help accelerate the company's process design kit library of photonic components, including on-chip laser technology, as well as its overall strategic roadmap. Some exciting times are on the horizon for lasers and photonic integrated circuits, thanks to a collaboration involving nonlinear optics. Prompted by the challenge of sourcing laser wavelengths, namely in the visible range, that are required for many experiments, like those involving tiny photonic integrated circuits, photonics researchers from the U.S. National Institute of Standards and Technology, together with nanophotonic device manufacturer Octave Photonics, are working on a way to make lasers more versatile. The new approach uses a standard silicon wafer coated with silicon dioxide and lithium niobate, which can alter the color of incoming light in a controlled way. Complex patterns of tantalum pentoxide, a strong nonlinear material the team says is well suited for visible wavelength operation, are deposited directly on top of other photonic circuitry in a 3D stack to allow versatile platforms to function simultaneously. This in turn creates a single chip that could efficiently route light between layers, ultimately achieving an any wavelength laser. The team says that while they're working to optimize existing designs, their new platform shows potential for other applications like optical data processing. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. Check out our Following the Photons podcast too for some cool interviews and news impacting the industry. Until next time.